The city of Cedar Falls said goodbye this week to Audrey Steffen, who had worked for the city for 39 years, the majority of which she had been the mayor's secretary. On Thursday, August 29th, a party was held in honor of Audrey. During the event, many people who have worked with her over the years came together to celebrate her 39 years of service. Audrey Steffen came to City Hall back in 1974 and worked as a clerk of court. She then changed jobs in 1977 when she started working in the building inspection office. Finally, only 2 years later in 1979, Audrey took the job she held for 34 years, the secretary in the mayor's office. During her 34 years, she served 3 different Cedar Falls mayors, Doug Sharp, Ed Stakovic, and John Cruz. Audrey also held offices at local and division levels for the International Association of Administrative Professionals and served on the advisory committee at Hawkeye Community College for many years. She even attained a degree in public administration while working for the city of Cedar Falls. Some of the events that stood out to her in her 39 years included the flood of 2008, where day-to-day operations around City Hall came to a halt, and everyone pitched in with everything from manning the phone, sandbagging, and more. Looking back, Audrey has seen so many changes that have happened throughout Cedar Falls and is happy to know she took part in it by working for the city. City Hall thanks Audrey Steffen for her many years of service and will miss her, but wish her well with retirement. Audrey says she plans on spending her retirement traveling to visit family, gardening, reading, and even learning to play piano.